Why is it always the same thing every day? Late at night I think about my humiliation. I think about what could have been if I stayed silent.